You mind if I tell you a story? One of the things that I've noticed in my years of doing this thing we call project management is that we create these dashboards because we want to watch this, sell how well or or not well our project is actually performing. One of the things is that I love about dashboards and I hate about dashboards. One thing I like about dashboards is if it's done right, it can truly be a Picasso of painting a picture of what is actually going on. But then the other aspect of it is the I say the more toxic aspect of where basically you paint a picture of something that you know is not actually happening because number one, either you're afraid to change the project color from green to yellow or red because of maybe the impact or what comes with that. And sometimes you start making up stats and you're like, this makes no sense. Like, if I read this, does this tell me where we are at in the project? So that's just a special note, family.